Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. It only takes a few steps, so let's get started. First, sign in to your Zoho Books account. From the left-hand menu, click Sales, then select Invoices. Next, click the plus New button in the top right corner to create a new invoice. Now, choose an existing customer from the list. If the customer hasn't been added yet, click plus New Customer, enter their details, and save them. After that, add the products or services you want to bill for. Select the item, enter the quantity, and Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total amount. If needed, you can set the invoice date, due date, apply taxes, or add any discounts before sending the invoice. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your customer. If you don't want to send it immediately, simply click Save as Draft and send it later. And that's it. That's how you create an invoice in Zoho Books. It's quick, simple, and helps you manage your business payments more efficiently. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.